In this video, I'll be showing you how to use USB flash drive on iPhone.
Anyways, getting into it, I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max right here, but you can do this with any iPhone. And I have my external SSD, which is a Samsung T7 Touch, but you can literally do this with any USB. Now, if your USB doesn't have a USB-C connection and it's USB-A, you're going to need an adapter from USB-A to USB-C, and then you plug your USB into that USB-C adapter and then plug the adapter into your iPhone. But if you're like me and you have an SSD just with a USB-C wire, all you got to do is plug it into your iPhone. Now, once you go ahead and plug it in, the first time you plug it in, you might get a little pop-up message saying, are you sure you want the drive to access your iPhone and vice versa? So you just go ahead and press accept. And then what you can do is go over to files like so, and then you're going to see the drive right there. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is really nothing else to it. And once you go ahead and do that, you're going to be able to transfer anything you want to your drive. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.